In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the product ID in WooCommerce. Whether you're managing an online store or just getting started with WooCommerce, customizing your product identifiers is a crucial task that helps with organization, inventory tracking, and even troubleshooting. Maybe you need to update a product ID to match your internal system, or perhaps you're streamlining your catalog for better management. Whatever the case, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. It's simple, straightforward, and something you can do directly from your WordPress dashboard. Let's get started. First, we need to access the back end of your WordPress website, which is where all the magic happens. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen. This is your menu bar, and it's where you'll find all the tools and options to manage your site. From here, we'll navigate to the Products section. Go ahead and click on Products. This will take you to the page where all your WooCommerce products are listed. Now that you're on the Products page, the next step is to find the specific product you want to edit. You'll see a list of all your products displayed here, complete with their names, categories, prices, and other details. Take your time to locate the product you want to update. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over its name, and you'll see a few options appear underneath it. Click on the option that says Edit. This will open up the product editor where you can make changes to the details of your product. Once you're in the product editor, scroll down until you see the Product Data section. This section is where you can adjust all the key settings for your product, such as pricing, inventory, shipping details, and more. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you'll make most of your product updates in WooCommerce. Now, within the Product Data section, you'll see several tabs running horizontally across the top. These tabs include General, Inventory, Shipping, and so on. For this task, you'll want to click on the tab labeled Inventory. The Inventory tab is where you manage stock details, and more importantly for this video, it's where you'll find the SKU field. The SKU, or Stock Keeping Unit, acts as your product's unique identifier, which is often what people mean when they refer to a product ID in WooCommerce. Once you've clicked on the Inventory tab, look for the field labeled SKU. This is where you can enter a new identifier for your product. Simply delete the existing SKU if there is one, and type in the new identifier you'd like to use. Keep in mind that SKUs need to be unique for every product to avoid confusion in your store's inventory. If you're managing a large number of products, it's worth developing a consistent system for creating SKUs, like using a combination of letters and numbers that signify categories or product types. After you've entered the new SKU, you're almost done. The final step is to save your changes. To do this, scroll back up to the top of the page and look for the Update button on the right-hand side of your screen. Click on this button to save the changes you've made to the product. Once you see the confirmation that your product has been updated, you're all set. The product now has its new identifier, and your changes will be reflected in your WooCommerce store. And that's it. Changing the product ID, or SKU, in WooCommerce is as simple as that. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your online store. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.